Come on, Nathan, you have to be strong.
Oh my god, it hurts! My superpowers are tired. You do it again? Oh, it's gone. Where is it? Oh, let's use our superpowers to look for it. It's right behind. Kuya Jungle. There it is.
Loud.